Welcome to our journey through the cosmos. The universe is a vast and mysterious place, full of wonders that never cease to amaze us. Today, we're diving into some of the most fascinating facts about the universe, from its mind-boggling size to the strange and powerful objects that lurk within it. Get ready to expand your mind and ignite your imagination as we explore the wonders of the cosmos together. We often picture the Big Bang as an explosion happening in space, but that's not quite right. The Big Bang was the beginning of space itself, and it's been expanding ever since. Imagine baking a loaf of raisin bread. As the dough rises, the raisins within it spread farther apart. That's kind of like what's happening in our universe. The galaxies, like those raisins, are moving away from each other as the fabric of space itself expands. And this expansion isn't slowing down. In fact, it's accelerating. This discovery, which earned 3 astrophysicists the Nobel Prize in Physics, suggests that a mysterious force called dark energy is pushing everything apart. When we look up at the night sky, we see countless stars, but that's just a tiny fraction of what's out there. Our galaxy, the Milky Way, contains hundreds of billions of stars, and it's just one of trillions of galaxies in the observable universe. To put that in perspective, think about all the grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. It's an enormous number, right? Well, there are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all those beaches. That's a number so big it's hard to even fathom. Astronomers use various techniques to estimate this incredible number, including observing the brightness and distribution of galaxies, and applying mathematical models to extrapolate the total stellar population. Black holes are some of the most extreme objects in the universe. They're regions of space-time where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. But despite their name, black holes aren't actually empty holes. They're incredibly dense objects, formed when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Imagine squeezing all the mass of the sun into an area the size of a city. That's the kind of density we're talking about. The intense gravity of a black hole warps the fabric of space-time around it, creating a region from which nothing can return. We call it a hole because things fall into it, but it's more like a cosmic trap than an empty void. When we talk about the size of the universe, we often refer to the observable universe. This is the portion of the universe that we can currently observe from Earth. It's like a giant bubble centered on us, with a radius of about 46.5 billion light-years in every direction, making its diameter a staggering 93 billion light-years. But remember, the universe is about 13.8 billion years old. So how can we see objects that are farther away than that? The answer lies in the expansion of the universe itself. As space expands, it stretches the light traveling through it, causing the wavelength of the light to increase. This is called redshift. By measuring the redshift of distant objects, astronomers can determine their distance from us. The observable universe is constantly growing as more light from distant regions reaches us over time. However, there may be parts of the universe beyond what we can currently observe, hidden from our view by the vast distances and the finite speed of light. It might surprise you to learn that everything we can see in the universe, stars, planets, galaxies, even the cosmic microwave background radiation, makes up less than 5% of its total mass and energy. The rest is made up of mysterious substances we call dark matter and dark energy. We can't see dark matter directly, but we know it exists because of its gravitational effects on visible matter. It's like an invisible scaffolding holding galaxies and galaxy clusters together. Scientists believe that dark matter may be made up of exotic particles that don't interact with light or ordinary matter in the same way as the particles we know. Dark energy, on the other hand, is even more mysterious. It's a hypothetical form of energy that permeates all of space and is responsible for the accelerating expansion of the universe. We don't know what dark energy is or where it comes from, but its existence has profound implications for the fate of the cosmos. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic adventure. We've only scratched the surface of what we know about the universe, and there are still countless mysteries waiting to be unraveled. From the expansion of space to the unseen forces shaping the cosmos, the universe continues to inspire awe and wonder. It reminds us of the vastness of existence and the endless possibilities that lie beyond our planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing facts about the universe. Keep looking up and never stop exploring.